Yeah, so I've been poking around with this issue. When you turn the right turn signal, the high beams turn on. And a lot of people have this issue I've seen in Google, but no one seems to find the reason. So I decided to tear inside the lever and find the issue. And I think I found it. So you can see this. There you go. Let's still not focus. Yeah. So the scoring marks is where the lever, which pushes on the high beam, uh, slides. So you can see that there's actually a hole here. I think focus you can see the scoring marks, and on the other side, yeah, so that's the lever that's right here. So when you pull the lever towards you, it moves up, or the opposite. Never mind. It seems like this thing here is also scored. So what happens, the whole lever is down a little bit, and on the other side, hold on, yeah, so that's the slide for the high beams, for the momentary and for the latch. It gets inside there. So when you pull the lever and this slide comes up, it shorts these two contacts, and then you have your momentary beams. And when you push the lever forward to the latch mode, this little thing, it moves down. Now the issue is, because of the scoring, you have too much clearance. So when you turn on the right blinker light, for some reason it moves down. I don't know why it happens only in right. I didn't investigate it enough, and actually I don't really care. The thing is, this scoring makes it move a little bit down. Bottom line is, all you need to do is find a way to fill this with something. This to make up for the scoring. See if you can see it on this from the side. Yeah, you can see it pretty much. Yeah, it's right here. So I'm gonna 3D print a U bracket to be right here. It will be press fit. I think you can glue it as well, but I don't know. Maybe I just print something rectangular and put it here. See? Yeah, so the question is, how do you open this handle? And that's a fair question. You need to do a couple of things. There's two sides. First, there's the back side. You need to pry these small tabs in here. It's already pried, but you can see there's like small rectangular holes here, here, here. Just put a screwdriver inside. Just pry it carefully. It's not that brittle, but it could be, I guess. So it's like all around. It's like 1, 2, 3, then 4 right here, and it just pops out. Careful, there's a spring inside. This spring is the spring which pushes the latch, this latch or slide or whatever for the high beams. If you see now, I pushed it back, it goes inside. Hold on. This is middle position. This is pulled for the monetary. I just figure out how it works. It's not that a problem. So you need actually you need to open the other side to get here, but it's better to clean the slides here. Clean this, put new I've put the dielectric grease inside. It was pretty much dirty inside, yeah. So yeah, so that's okay. Now on the other side there are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to open this, there's a small tab right here. Just put a screwdriver inside and pry. Use these tools, much easier, and it pops out. It's a great time to put new grease inside. I think it's better to use dielectric grease because there's a lot of contacts there. You don't want them to short and do a big mess. Now to pull this out, just pull the lever up. And you can see here I've already put the spacer. Try to show you, it is small, but I'm not sure the camera will pick it up. It's like this thingy bracket. I don't know, it's 3D printed. It's like a couple of minutes of print, no biggie. But I think you can use like anything just to make up for the space that was scrubbed away. I wanted to do U style so it won't move sideways, but I've glued it as well. And then I've put some grease up there because, you know, it will scratch it again. It happened once, it will happen again. So to put it back together, a couple of things to watch for. Let's go from top to bottom. It has its own place. It's not a problem. Hold it. And then this one, you can see there's a place from below and to see it's inside. Now you take the top part, just put it from above, click, then now the reason we open up the other side is because sometimes when you put back the lever, the left and right turn signals can miss its slide. Then what you need to do is pry this thing up. It's held down here, so just be aware of this. You pry it up. Be careful, there's a spring and a pin from below. This is the horn, actually. So you see this slide. This is the turn signal slide, and you need to make sure that it doesn't move, because if it moves, then you won't have the correct right and turn signals. You see there's a place here, and if you yeah, you can see that pin inside. That pin. So it's a bit greasy, so it can move, but you need to lift it up bit by bit until it catches the slide, and when it doesn't move, it's okay. You can put this one back, be sure the spring is still inside, and just straight from top to bottom, make sure you align the hole here below. And if you assemble it, just move the lever, make sure everything is moving okay. And to close this, yeah, so one important thing, do not forget this spring. Yeah. You have the cover. Yep, and that will be all.